Hi, this is Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist with Ageless Derma. Today I'm going to show you how to get a toned down cat eye eyeliner. I have already applied my eyeshadow and eyebrows and mascara with this look. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the eyeliner because that is the last step for the eye. I'm going to be using the Ageless Derma Duo with the black powder. I'm choosing to use black for this look based on my eyeshadow is brown and darker. So if you want something that's softer, use a dark brown. You can use any eyeshadow that's matte or shimmery with this look. The dampened brush is what's really going to accentuate it to create it to be a soft eyeliner. So you can use purple, dark green, just depending upon your look. Brown would be more natural. I'm going to use a black just due to my eyeshadow is a darker brown already. And I'm dampening my angle brush and slightly dipping it in my black eyeshadow from side to side. I'm going to start on the outside of my eyelid. And if it starts to get dry, then just reapply the eyeshadow. So the outside of the middle, and I start on the outside of the eyelid because that's generally when you have the most product on your eye. And then for a cat eye, I'm going to take one little dab angle upwards. And so what the little angle cat eye does is it naturally lifts up the eye. So it gives you a youthful appearance just instantly. It's like a very small instant eye lift. You don't always need Botox. Sometimes you just need a little angle on the eye. So you just angle, not up too high, just slightly. And then I'm bringing the eyeshadow along the lash line of the lashes, meeting it in the middle. And then softly just bringing it into the inside of the eye. So you can see the difference of my two eyes with a little bit of the cat eyeshadow eye, just lifting it, pops it out a little bit more, and then the other side with no cat eye. So the last thing that you can do if you want it to be a little softer is you can get a smudge eyeshadow brush. This is the one that I have. It has a little, comes up to a point and a tip at the end. And I'm going to go to the outside of my cat eye, and I'm just going to slightly smudge it towards the center of my eye. So if you are going for an evening look, then you don't have to soften it. It's just going to make it just softer. For product use and information that we used on this video, go ahead and click the link below. If you would like to see more videos like this and tutorials, please go to agelessderma.com.